directly or indirectly a part of the second annual retreat of the department. And thanks to the organizer to give me the opportunity to present my lab. Here, myself Bhimraj Singh, and I am presenting my lab work, and our mentor Dr. Anita Mohan. We are working on polymer nanocomposites. The research interest of our lab is the design of polymer matrix inorganic or organic hybrid nanocomposites and surface interface engineering of the nanocomposite thin films, design of hybrid 2D, 3D heterostructures, and synthesis of multifunctional thin films and coating, synthesis and characterization of semiconducting nanostructures. Although we have a sort of facilities in our lab, but we are trying to do the work in this era. And the areas of applications of this interest are flexible electronics and hybrid non-volatile memory devices. My senior colleague, Mr. Shivam, is working in the field flexible electronics, hybrid non-volatile memory devices, and me and Mr. Vikas, my junior colleague, are working in the field of tribology, that is lubricants. We are working in this field, and the other areas of applications of the materials are UV shielding thin films, anti-corrosion coating, anti-level LEDs, etc. And for the synthesis of these materials, these types, we use the techniques like solder method, hydrothermal, in situ polarization, surface functionalization, one of the part of our research, ultrasonic dispersion, and modified Hammers method, broadcasting, thin film, spin coating, etc. And after synthesis of the materials, we use the basic characterization like XRD, HRTM, FECM, FTIR, UV, and all those things. And for the application measurement purpose, we use for our purpose ball-on disc and pin-on disc trigonometry and dynamic mechanical analysis and thermogravimetric analysis, etc. So basically, we and Vikas are working on the field of tribology. To understand the tribology, basically the tribology is the field in which we work on the interface of two or more surfaces in relative motion and contact. Basically, the friction, wear, and corrosion erosion are the different parameters that can be studied in this field. And I am working on the field friction, wear, and lubrication. Here, basically in the lubrication, I am working on nanolubricant, hybrid nanolubricant. We take a base lubricant, that is synthetic base oil, and we prepare the nanoparticles or the surface maxillite nanoparticles, and we disperse these nanoparticles in the base oil by different methods, ultrasonic action, magnetic stirring, and other things, and we prepare the nanolubricants for these surfaces for this application purpose. Here, how we prepare the nanolubricants? First, we prepare the nanoadditives, and the previous one, I have prepared the graphene oxide by the modified Hammers method using graphite powder, and after that, I have functionalized the graphene by some functionalization agent melamine, because oxide nanomaterials, it has high surface energy or high surface area to volume ratio, and because of this high surface area, it has tendency of agglomeration in the lubricant.
ठीक है
To overcome this agglomeration, we use surface functionalization of the nanomaterials, and after that, we also use some ionic liquids. In the previous research, I have used imidazonium ionic liquid MFTN, DF2, and by the ultrasonic ultrasonication, we have prepared the different formulations of the nanolubricants. Basically, after preparing the nanolubricant, we use the trigometer setup, multifunctional trigometer, that is available in the CIF. As the name suggests, multifunctional trigometer, it has various functionalities like measurement of friction by the ball-on disc and pin-on disc and pin-on ring. Setup in this instrument. Also, the 3D or 2D optical profilometry is also available in the setup. This is the schematic diagram that I have used in this instrument. I have used a ball-on disc setup. In this diagram, actually to measure the friction between the two surfaces, we have used a steel disc, stainless steel disc, and a ball, and the relative motion between the ball and disc is performed there. And after introducing the lubricant between the two surfaces, we study the coefficient of friction and wear in this part. In my previous research, this is the anti-friction performance of these nano-lubricants, in which I have used polyalcohol based on synthetic oil, in which I dispatch the graphene oil, graphene oxide functionalized material by the melamine. In this research, at different loads I have performed, I was able to reduce the coefficient of friction by 73% as compared to the base oil, because in the previous study it is found that almost 1/3 part of the energy of the fuel is lost by the in the form of friction. So to overcome by this, I was able to reduce the coefficient of friction by 73%. This is the histogram of different formulations. And in the next, after studying the coefficient of friction, actually in the aerometer setup we get some wear scars on the disc by the resting motion of the ball and disc. To study the wear section of profile, we use 3D optical profilometry, that is an MFT, and 3D and 2D optical profilometry, and by using different software, we can plot some line profile related to distance versus depth, or distance versus width of the wear scars. And by here I have not shown the result, but I was able to reduce the wear by 42% in my previous research. And after And after that, we performed the surface analysis of wear scars, and by using the same and elemental analysis of the wear scars by using EDX spectrum and Raman spectroscopy, and to elaborate the lubrication mechanism, we use elemental analysis and same scar, and also we have used thermochrometric analysis to study the thermal stability of the lubricant. This is the research, although I am not aware, much more aware of it, because this is the different things done by my senior, Mr. Sivam. He worked on the flexible non-volatile sensitive memory devices, and he used ITO coated PET substrate as a base substrate, bottom substrate, and he deposited the PMMA RGZ structure on that, and the aluminum electrode on top as a top electrode. And these are the different need for new memory devices, because exponential increase in data, and we need scalability and reliability, and flexibility is a main part of this research. These are two different instruments that we have used: thermal evaporation vacuum chamber for depositing the electrode, and semiconductor device parameters analyzer to measure the different parameters. He measured endurance and retention characteristics, and also the flexibility analysis, and he performed this experiment with a minimum bending radius of 6 millimeter effective for 10 to the power 4 seconds and 100,000 cycles, and the current ratio is 10 to the power 6. Thank you.